Meaning of greenhouse.
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 Greenhouse. The term greenhouse commonly refers to a structure or building used for growing plants, particularly in environments with harsh weather or limited space. The walls and roof of a greenhouse are made of transparent material, such as glass or plastic, which allows sunlight to enter and be trapped inside, creating a warm and humid environment that facilitates plant growth. The name greenhouse comes from the green color that is often associated with plants and the fact that the structure is like a house for them. Greenhouses can range in size from small backyard structures to large commercial operations.